Hey Melanie, how are you? Leo here again. We spoke earlier from Rona Marketing. I wanted to shoot over this quick video showing tips and tricks you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google Business profile. I appreciate to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. As you can see, I got your website pulled up here. Um, Not a bad looking website. It's just there's not a lot going on here. I see you've got everything down into just one page. This is pretty much a landing page. Um, nice pictures. I really love the pictures. A lot of services. I also read your story. I really love your story. Being the oldest, continuously family-owned roofing company in the 80-mile radius. You know, you all have been around for a long time, so you definitely want to set the tone with your website. You know, it needs to be a powerful website that people come into. So one of my biggest suggestions would be add more content. You know, a lot of these, you should have several pages here with all your locations having several pages. And with everything all in one page, it's still lacking content. Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do is save your photos and videos as keywords because this is considered content as well. So if you go in here and save this image, you can see right here, our work. That is missing an opportunity. That photo should have something like Lexington, Kentucky roof replacement, roofers, Lexington, Kentucky, roofing, Lexington, Kentucky, things like that. Up here at the top of your page, I noticed that none of these are clickable. Let me see if I can click on this and call. Yeah, see, you want to, everything redirects back to this home page. Most people that searching services are on a cell phone, so having a call to action button up here, click to call, will really help out when people come to this website. That way they don't have to copy and save this number or remember it. Now, Melanie, what I've done is I've put the website into a tool called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is your UR, and this is the DR. This is the strength and the trust that your site has with Google. This is on a scale of 100, and you want to keep these numbers balanced and moving up continuously. Now you have 29 backlinks and 16 referring domains, so implementing some of these tips will help boost those numbers. And if you're unfamiliar with a backlink, it's simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. There's some that's more spammy and some that's more authoritative. You really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. As of right now, you got 3 organic keywords, and it's bringing 18 people to your website each month. That's more like a digital business card instead of a lead generating tool that gives you a higher ROI. Your buyer intent keywords are roofing supplies. That's usually for roofers that just has supplies only. That's not selling services. That just has the parts. You know, the shingles, the flashing, things like that. Harper roofing, Harper siding and roofing. If people are searching that, they're already looking for your site. So you want to do something like roofers in Lexington. Not a bad keyword. That's got a search volume of 50 with the 5 KD. So if I'll take a look here and put in this buyer intent keyword phrase, which is the service and the city and state, roofers, Lexington, Kentucky. If someone's searching this phrase, they're looking for some work to be done. Now, as you see up here in the top, up here is usually local ads and Google ads right here at the top. That's a great way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying for those ads, you're gone off the first page. So then you got your map pack down here. You really want to be in this top 3. You're not in this area, and that's fine because there's several ways that you can get there. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews. I seen that you only had 1 review and it was a 1-star. So definitely getting back to your customers that you have dealt with in the past and have them leave reviews will really help boost that as well. You want to make sure you're adding those reviews constantly. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the same all across the internet. because you definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. Make sure that you get that filled out, and don't forget to add keywords in there as well by posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, like I showed you with that photo save. It really helps you rank organically, and that's the key here. Adding citations, and a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, White Pages, things like that. Because at the end of the day, honestly, as crazy as it sounds, Google's just a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it will start to make Google trust you. That's your UR and your DR. And that'll help boost your business, not only in your area, but it'll leak into the surrounding areas as well. Being on that Google Map Pack gives you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and they'll give you a call from there. Hence the click to call button. Now what we're going to do now is go down here into the organics. Your top competitor is Lexington Blue. If we go to their website, you can see that they're lacking content as well. Like, nice website, but it's just there's no command content here as well. So implementing having more content on your site more than theirs, you'll start to outrank them while you add those backlinks and things to it as well. Now, looking at a few different keywords here, I want to show you this. This is what happens whenever you have a website done correctly. You can implement these buyer intent keywords here. There's a lot of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your website, and a percentage of that's going to give you a call, and then depending on you guys' close rate, turn them into customers. So if we say I built your website, rebuilt it, and just added these 6 phrases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are buyer intent keyword phrases except for the second one. Look at the volume, 800, 350, 300, 300, 100, 100. That's almost 2,000 buyer intent keywords just out of 6 phrases embedded into your command content. So imagine being on the first page. You're going to get 30 to 40% of that volume on your map pack, 60 to 70% whenever you're searching, people searching you organically, getting you to this top page right here. And that's 2,000 with just these words only. Like, I get so pumped about this, and I'm so eager to try to work with someone that I can throw this into their content just to show them how much of an improvement it'll be. And then you can really amp up your traffic here. And again, it'll go from a digital business card to a lead generating tool. I'm going to load up right here real quick for your organic keywords and show you. You just had a few 3. So imagine just having the right 6 in there, and you would crush it. As an insane amount of volume there. Sorry, I get pumped up over this stuff. I love helping businesses because at the end of the day, you're Batman, I'm Robin. I just want to help you out. I hope this video was helpful. I'd appreciate to hear some feedback from you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me. I can be that resource for you if need be. Just give me a call and I'll answer any question you have. I hope you all have a great day and enjoy the video. Thanks.